everybody. My big book, my big quilting book, has had a baby. It's so exciting, honestly, and it's cute. It's the Handy Pocket Guide to Crazy Quilting for Beginners, and C&T have done a brilliant job in helping me to turn this into something that is ideal for beginners. It is all the information that you need to begin without all the extra stuff that can get you confused. You can put it in your sewing box. It's really little. I like it for that reason. It's not a big thing. It makes an ideal gift for your sewing friends. I know I have a sewing group, and every year I'm thinking about what to do for Christmas or whatever. You know, it makes an ideal gift, birthday gift for a sewing buddy, something like that. And yet it's a very useful little book. It has all your basic information that you need to begin crazy quilting. It has enough eye candy to get you stimulated and excited about what you're sewing. And it has some basic stitches at the back, and they've kept all my handy tips. I think that's really useful too. They're just little tips on how to do things easily. There's also left and right-handed instructions. So all in all, I'm really happy with the way this book came out, and I hope people find it useful. And it's cute.